Kailan po kaya, Mayor, launch naman yung ARCOF nung dalawang natitirang pilots?
Oh, in the next few months, kung kasabihan namin kayo, at kinakailangan po, sapagkat kinakailangan makasabay po sila sa start ng school year po. Kinakailangan po. But again, DepEd po ang they adopted this. Tiniturn over po namin to sa DepEd para po sila po magbalangkas at magpatuloy po nitong aming sinimulan. But again, hopefully, we can get the attention of the national government and other partners in the private sector na kung pwede po, nagawa po namin dito sa Los Baños, baka naman pwede tulungan nyo kami to expand this further in Los Baños, to expand this further in Laguna, and hopefully to expand this further in the Philippines.
In terms, Mayor, of budget, magkano po yung inalot natin para po sa proyekto ito at magkano naman po yung nanggagaling po sa ating mga partners?
Nag-allot kami dito ng mga initiative, mga 3 million from our budget sa Los Baños. Pero naghahanap pa kami ng paraan kung paano pa mapababa yung cost. Kasi katulad ng mga tables and chairs na nakikita nyo dito, these are plastic. Kausap po namin ang forest products, si Director Rico Cabangon at ang ating pong Secretary Sonido. Baka po pwedeng meron silang engineered bamboo na pwede po namin gamitin because bamboo will be more sustainable in the long run. Kung pwede po yung mga tables and chairs natin and the other cabinets dito made of bamboo, even yung ating gagawing tiles na sa mga schools po natin made of engineered bamboo also, magagamit po natin to lower the cost. At the same time, mas sustainable din yung ginagawa natin. At the same time, we help support local industries.
Okay.
Mayor, on another